Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Shift at Midnight game stuck on loading screen or not loading error on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first thing is to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon. After that, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game. Here I'm showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this may take some time, wait for it, and once the game files are verified, after that launch the game and check. If not, next is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam, select your game. Under library section, right click on it, click under general. Here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option. Here you have to search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. After that, click on change settings over here, and now here you have to check whether the game is listed or not. If you cannot find the game, you have to click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After adding the game to the list, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage and click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. From here you have to select the application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen automatizations, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. The next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option. Here you have to search for device manager. After that, here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, just go to Steam, select your game under library, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update option, click on check for updates. This will check if any update is available, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. So the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. So simply click on it, click on yes, wait for some time, and after it is finished, you will get setup successful message over here. Close this. After that, you have to restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if it's working. If the game still continues, you should run Steam as administrator. So for that, you have to first exit Steam and exit Steam from here. After that, you have to go to the search option, search for Steam, and here you have to click on run as administrator. So after doing this, now launch the game and check if the game is launching or opening or not. If not, next method is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the search option. Here you have to search for graphics settings. So search for graphics settings. Here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, you have to go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game, you have to search for it. After that, click on the arrow icon under GPU preference. You have to select high performance, and after that, launch the game and check if the game is launching or opening or not. If it still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, click on uninstall, and again click on uninstall option. This will delete the game from PC. After that, you have to restart your PC once, and once your system restarts, again launch Steam, log into it, and again reinstall Shift at Midnight game, and after that click on the play button to check if you can play the game.